Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, we first need to head over and click on Add Apps right here. Now in here, scroll down until you can see the Shopify App Store. So from in here, you just need to head over to this search bar. Search in here for Judge. Once you have searched for Judge, you should be able to see all of these things right here. So click on this Judge.me Aliexpress reviews. So click on this one. Then once you have clicked on it, click on install. And once you have clicked on install right here, it will ask you to install this specific app to your Shopify account. So let's just wait for this right here and let's grant it access by actually installing it. So once you have installed this, it will show you its page or dashboard in the actual Shopify store. So what we need to do next while this is loading is to open a new tab and then locate the Aliexpress product we want to import the review into. So in here, I have here a link for Aliexpress and I want to import the reviews for this specific product. So what I can do is I can click on the URL right here, then copy it by clicking on the Ctrl-C on my computer or keyboard, or you can just right-click on your mouse and then click on copy. Once you have copied that, head back again in here, click on Import Reviews from Aliexpress, then put in here the URL of the product. So just paste in here, and then in here, you just need to import it to your Shopify product. So I'll just type in here the name of the product that I have. And then in here, you can choose which numbers to import. So you can choose 15 reviews or 20. So for me, I'll choose 20. And in here, you have these things right here that you can choose from. And in here, you can also email us when this is completed. Click on Import Reviews right here. And once you have clicked on that, the import will now be in progress. If there's a lot of reviews, you just need to refresh your dashboard after 1 or 2 minutes if they don't show up instantly. So let's go back to our home page. And then in here, you can see that we have these things right here. So you can import also some reviews for all of the products we have. So let's head over to our online store right here. So once we head back to our online store, we can actually look for the products that we have, which is this product wherein we import the reviews. So we need to scroll down. As you can see, there is no reviews first. That is because you need to edit it out. So let's head back again in here, click on online store. And then from in there, what we need to do is we need to edit out this specific thing. Click on customize. And then from in here, you should be able to see everything. Click on homepage. Click on products, then click on this people product right here. We have this right here. So what we need to do is we need to add in a section or a block wherein we can add those specific reviews. So you can click on this add section right here. And in here you can see the app. Or you can also click on add block. And you can also see in here that you can add some more things in order to add the specific products or related products that have the reviews that you have. So you can also choose in here the sections as well as the blocks that they have. If you see that there's still 0 apps, that means that the import is still not yet processed or finished. And you just need to wait for that to finish. Once you have finished that, the review block will appear right here, and you just need to integrate it right here in order to have it published on your store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so if you leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.